wait for no one. No one has the time. But time we have when we think that which is very important to us. I welcome you on Mirian Dike channel. You have already seen from the thumbnail what you are about to watch. But I would like to tell you more about what you are watching, which is orange oil. This oil is used for different medicinal purposes, and it is also popular in aromatherapy. In inner part of us, it boosts our skin, make it to be very healthy. Not only that, it is known as sedative, can help with feelings of stress, anxiety, and trauma. It is good for digestion as it stimulates the secretion of gastric piles and juice. Also get rid of excess gas in the system. This orange oil, it purifies your body, thereby making you to be urinating frequently when you put it in your food or in a drink or in a juice, whatever eatable you want to take it with. Not only that, I would like to let you know again that this particular oil, I'm sharing with you guys how you are going to do it. It can also help with the loss of libido, that is in erectile dysfunction, body that doesn't have the feelings of sex. It is also advisable to be used because it is natural. The orange oil can be done in many different forms. I am sharing one of the method today, and maybe another day I will share another method on how you can do it if you don't like this one I'm sharing today. But just to let you know that both methods, they are good to go for you. Keep watching. Grab anything eatable around you if you have one, and relax, watch till the end. So in this orange oil recipe, here is my choice of oil. You can go ahead and use coconut oil or honey oil of your choice. Pour it on an empty dry pot like I'm doing it. Allow it to heat very well and start pouring your cut orange back on it. Allow it to fry and fry and fry for 15 minutes before you bring it down and off your cooker. Like I said, it serves so many purposes. So this one I'm doing today, I will use it for many purposes, including baking, which I will share with you guys later in this channel to show you what I did with this amazing healthy oil. As you can see now, it is done, ready. Just allow it to cool down a little, then you sieve it with your siever. Allow it just to cool more before transferring it to your empty container, anyone you want to use it for. But first, allow it to cool down. Don't forget that this orange oil is rich in several nutrients including fiber, vitamin C, and plant compounds like polyphenols. Just know that using it, you are good to go. Also good for your hair grow. Take a look at that. What do you think about this orange oil? Try to make yours today and always live a healthy life. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye.